What is Amazon Web Services? You might not have noticed, but every day you use Amazon Web Services in your daily life. From the messages you send on WhatsApp to this video you are watching, all depend on AWS, the most powerful and widely used cloud platform in the world. How much work is there if I learn to master AWS today? It is much more economical, secure, and robust to keep a company's data and applications in the cloud than to have its own cloud infrastructure. That's why millions of companies choose AWS, which means you won't lack work. What kind of companies might hire you? From technology and financial companies to media and healthcare, various industries seek AWS experts to optimize their operations and cloud security. What will you learn in this program? You will learn to configure and manage applications in the AWS console, preparing you for the AWS Practitioner Certification exam, crucial for advancing in the tech industry. What is it like to study at VLA? The most important thing for us is that you learn to work. At VLA, you will experience learning through certified professionals who are currently working at AWS. They will be your instructors. You will receive free and unlimited tutoring as well as support to find a job through DLA Jobs. You won't find an academy that cares so much about the success and well-being of its students. See you in the virtual classroom.